Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, I don't have a video for today because I've been sick. Yes, I've been sick for about 4 days in bed, sleeping. I believe it's just like a cold. Um, yeah, so that's why I don't have a video today. But I do have projects coming up. I have a few tulips that are coming up in the garden, and the tree we planted last year is budding like crazy, so hopefully we'll see some blooms out in the yard, which will be nice. And my husband is getting stuff ready to put in the van to take out to our trailer to go out to the lake, to go out to the RV site. So that should be fun. So now I just have to take it easy until I get better. It's really hard to just lay around and do nothing, but when you're sick, you're sick. So that's all you can do. Well, I'll give you a little peek preview. This is what I've kind of been up to. Remember the tree I fixed? I'm going to put it in a fairy garden, and I bought some more wood slabs. I bought these wood slabs when I first started making fairy gardens, and I love making the garden on there, and then you place it in your yard. So this is a really big one. This one is 20 inches, and I think they're just beautiful to make a fairy garden on. And I have 6 more over here. So at least I know I'm going to make some fairy gardens. And in my craft room, I had one of my paintings. This is a painting I did years ago. And at first I thought it was going to be poppies, but then it kind of looked like tulips. So I call them poppy tulips. They're mine. They're my creation, so I can have them look whatever I like. So anyhow, that's just a little bit of stuff that's been going on. Just a little bit of stuff that's been going on in my life for the last 4 days. So I haven't really videoed anything. But anyhow, I'm going to put this little video up just to say hi. And thanks for watching and welcome my new subscribers. And I'm sure in a couple of days I'll be just fine. Because Tuesday is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Need to get my stuff together and do a video for that. And Wednesdays are just my regular videos that I do stuff, crafts and stuff for clean house, whatever I feel like doing that day. And Thursdays, of course, are Fairy Garden Thursdays 2023 with Granny Sandy. And the Tiny Tuesdays, of course, are hosted by Sunday Dawn. I always want to call her Summer. Sunday Dawn. And her channel is The Helpful Home. So I'm looking forward to getting back to my routine, getting back to my videoing, working in my yard. Got some plans for out there for fairy gardens, so it should be fun. Anyhow, thanks for listening to me, just rattling on. And I'll get this video up shortly. And I'm sure in a couple more days I'll be feeling great. I also wanted to mention that I've been having some trouble with my eyes. That's why I haven't had makeup on my eyes for a long time. I do have dry eye syndrome, and I do have the start of glaucoma, so I'm on drops. And the drops are irritating my eyes. So for now, The doctor just wants me to do the drops twice a day, and we'll see where it goes from there. So I go back to the doctor on May the 8th, and we'll find out more about my eyes then. They're fine, I can see, but they get very red, bloodshot, and they get itchy. So anyhow, that's enough about me. I know, it's hard. Yeah. Sometimes life just throws these things at you. But anyhow, you just keep going. And I see my hair sticking out there. Yeah, well, I definitely have bedhead because I've been in bed for about 3 days now. I'm up today just for fun. So anyhow, the weather's beautiful here in Lethbridge. We've got gorgeous sunshine. I'm anxious to get out in my yard and see how things are doing. So again, thanks again for watching, and hello to many of my new subscribers. And like I say, tiny tidy Tuesday should be back to normal. Okay, see y'all. Take care. Thanks for watching again. And if you haven't subscribed, that would be awesome if you would. Okay, bye.